Hello everyone, my name is Huang Shan. I'm represent China Mobile Zhejiang Company. Our catalyst project name is Value Realization on Cognitive Service Experience Operations. The telecommunications industry is facing rapid challenge due to the digital era. Customer expects zero wait, zero trouble, and full interaction by using viral services, for example, OTT apps. Internally, telcos transform to techcos continue to provide heavy investment to prove operation efficiency and effectiveness, but expect to see tangible value being actualized to the company and to customers. This catalyst project proposes how to build a cognitive service experience operations that can give management and customers tangible value by using the latest digital technology. Using different value streams like assure customer network experience and its business capability, telcos will be able to know exactly on customer expectations and providing a superior experience and increase return on experience in a dynamic and highly competitive digital market. In addition, new sets of TMF suggested principles like open digital framework with open APIs are also being adopted and developed according to the project objective. Multiple carriers, China Mobile Zhejiang, Liaoning, Guangxi companies, China Unicom Guangdong, HKT, MTN, and Robi all have the same challenge to see the investment to put to the cognitive service experience operations can show tangible value realization. Participants Asia Info, Broadtech, Eastern Software, Huawei Technologies, and Nanjing University developed latest AI technologies, digital twin, 5G technology, customer experience tools to help these carriers to realize the catalyst objectives. Thank you.